guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Dollar Tree fishbowl snowman. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with my friend Courtney at Mama Makes It Happen. Courtney is a fantastic YouTuber who reached out to me to do this collaboration. She has a channel where she does a lot of cook with me's, clean with me's, and a lot of mommy life. She has some of the best recipes on her cook with me's. You guys should totally check it out. But she's also known for doing some DIYs too, and she recently did a beautiful tablescape with her mother, and I thought it was just so beautiful, and you guys should check that out too. Anyways, after you're done watching my video, I'd love for you guys to go check out my friend Courtney. She's doing an awesome Christmas DIY, and I don't think you guys will be disappointed at all. She is such a sweet person, and I'd love for you guys to go over and show her some love and tell her I sent you. For this project, you're going to need 2 fish bowls from the Dollar Tree, a snowman hat ornament, some mini Christmas trees, mini Christmas figurines, a red truck ornament, some ribbon, and scissors. I will have all the supplies listed down below in my description box. I purchased these 2 fish bowls from the Dollar Tree. I was inspired to do this project by something I saw on Pinterest. I'll leave the link down below, but it was the cutest little fishbowl snowman, and I thought I would recreate that for you guys. So like I said, I got the 2 fish bowls from the Dollar Tree. You're going to want to get 2 different sizes. And then this fake snow also came from the Dollar Tree. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put some snow into the fish bowl as much as you want. And then you're just going to press it down with your hand just to make sure it's nice and even. I bought this cute little red truck from Hobby Lobby. If you guys haven't been to Hobby Lobby lately, you need to go. They have the cutest red truck ornaments. I actually did a shop with me recently, and I'll link that down below. But you guys, seriously, head on into your Hobby Lobby. They have so many different ones you can choose from, and they are so cute. So I just placed the red truck ornament down in my first fish bowl, and this is going to be the fish bowl that's on the bottom, and I added a little bit of extra snow around the red truck. And now I'm just adding snow to my second fish bowl, and this fish bowl is a little bit smaller because this one's going to go on top of the larger fish bowl. Now I'm just adding a couple of these little mini Christmas trees that I purchased from Hobby Lobby into the smaller fish bowl. I also purchased these cute little tiny Christmas ornaments that are shaped like the snowman and Santa Claus. I got them from Hobby Lobby as well. And on the bottom, I hot glued a piece of white cardboard to the bottom of each of the ornaments just to make them a little bit more stable so that I could add them into my fish bowl, and they sit up perfectly when you add the cardboard. I know that the Dollar Tree should be getting out like their little village sets, and they should have little ornaments that already have the bottoms on there, so you could use those as well. I went ahead and added the Santa ornament to the larger fishbowl with the red truck, and then in the smaller fishbowl I added the snowman and I added a cute little bear ornament. I decided to add a third tree to the smaller fishbowl, and I think it looks so cute with the 3 trees and the 2 little ornaments inside. Now that you have all your figurines inside of both your fish bowls, you're just going to take the smaller one and stack it right on top. That's it. There's no need to glue anything or anything like that. You just stack it right on top, and this will make for easy cleanup when the season's over because all you'll have to do is dump everything out. Now I'm just going to make a scarf out of this Dollar Tree ribbon. I just cut out a piece of ribbon. I think this ribbon was about 18 inches long, and I decided to cut a little skinny strip off of it. This would be probably about 5/8 of an inch, the equivalent to those little skinny rolls of ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So if you have those, that would work as well. And now I'm just taking it around the middle part that connects the big fish bowl to the small fish bowl, and that's where I'm going to add this scarf. I did add a little dollop of hot glue onto the ribbon just where I folded it over itself just to make it look more scarf-like. And to complete your snowman, you need to add a snowman hat. I got this snowman hat ornament from Dollar General. It was only $1, and I think it is super cute, and it really adds a little sparkle to my snowman. This is what the final product looks like, and I absolutely love how this turned out. I think the little figurines inside and the Christmas trees and of course the red truck are so cute. This would be a fun craft to do with your kids, and honestly it probably takes less than 10 minutes, and it's so customizable. You can make it match any of your holiday decor. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go check out my friend Courtney at Mama Makes It Happen. She's doing that Christmas DIY, and I think you guys will love it. And don't forget to tell her I sent you. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!